Data Coach by Tessellation is an online data and analytics training platform that gives you access to world-class trainers while you are learning new tools and concepts.
Why Data Coach? Because it's the best learning system in the market to accelerate your users' adoption of modern data platforms.
Using the Data Coach platform, learners will work to deliver a final capstone project which solves a high-impact problem using their own business data. When completed, they'll earn a relevant certification or badge. This can be shared internally at the company and even externally on LinkedIn. Earning badges helps to create an environment of gamification between peers and drives ownership and accountability among individuals.
The result? Completed analytics training, fluency with the modern data platform, and gaining the confidence and skills needed to replicate the success of the Data Coach Capstone project.
The Data Coach platform is integrated into the daily lives of our learners. In addition to world-class on-demand content and business case capstones, trainees have access to expert coaches through Data Coach Huddle. Huddle enables one-on-one video sessions between learners and experts to coach, troubleshoot, and improve their data skills. No matter how good the training material is, interaction with a real, experienced expert is critical for successful learning. Want to manage access to certain courses, gather usage reporting, and check on progress? No problem. With Data Coach, you'll be able to assign, remove, and monitor learners in the platform with a couple of clicks. You'll have complete control and insight of your team's data learning progress.
Data Coach is here to help you make the most out of your analytics investments,
with training, high-impact business use cases to generate the ROI,
and experts in the loop to accelerate this learning.
So head over to datacoach.com and let's get started.